Fucking thing goes on by itself. Hey, there he is. I need to talk to you when you get a chance. I want you to ride the gray horse. Once you go in there.
And then back one more time at the walk.
You must be coming to my barn here.
After this, is that okay?